Hey everybody, this is Jessica, the owner and artist behind JessicaLynnOriginal.com, where I create custom rubber stamps, hand-drawn artwork, and unique designs for card makers, crafters, and small businesses. But here on Artistry and Cards, I take my passion for art and card making to the next level, bringing you step-by-step tutorials, creative techniques, and inspiration to help you create one-of-a-kind projects. So today, what I thought we would do is we're going to go ahead and take all of my currently available digitals, and I thought what would be really funny is let's put them into a spin wheel. So I took the names of them and just broke them down to a simpler form, and what we're going to do is I'm going to shuffle these a couple times, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and design a card. Now, something really simple, right? But I want to take the digital stamp that I pick from this spinning wheel, and then we're going to go ahead and make a card from it. So let's see what we're going to get. I have a ton of new digital spring stamps, and they are all still currently buy 2 digitals, get 2 free. So definitely head over to the website. Don't know how long that'll last, but we will see. All right, so let's see. Ooh, Easter tulip wreath. That one's so pretty. Spring flower wreath. Nope. What are we getting here? Uh-oh, it's slowing down. Spring flower wreath. Oh, looks like we're going to get... It's going to keep going. Ah, it's the quiche hound. Quiche hound, I love to do a ton of different types of dog stamps, so be sure to go ahead and take a look and see if your breed is out there. If it's not, I will be designing more, so please ask me, send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. All right, so there is the quiche hound. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Now, if you've never seen a quiche hound, they're kind of darker in color. They're mostly grays, and big, huge family, sweet dogs. So all you have to do is, if you want to download it, again, click to add to cart, and you can check out either in the checkout, or you can do Shop Pay or PayPal. Please know though, remember right now, currently, now this is as of today, 3/8. I don't know when that sale is going to end, but it's buy 2, get 2 free. So I went ahead and printed off this adorable digital. If you've never used a digital before, I literally just go in, download them. They're like images. Open up a Word doc or a Google doc and import the image and make it the size I want. Now I am going to be using, I just got a new haul, so I'm going to have a new haul video soon from scrapbooking.com, but I think I might use the paper that I just got. It's a playful smooth cardstock. It's really pretty colors. I think I might use like a turquoisey color. I have kind of an idea for it. So if you are interested in any of my digitals, I put the QR code up in the upper left-hand corner. Go ahead, scan your phone. Oh, obviously pause the video. Scan this QR code, and then you could go and take a look at what we've got while you hang out and watch the video with me. And I just want to take a quick moment and say thank you so much for watching. I am in the process right now. I'm on a mission to grow this channel, to reach more crafters, and to hit my watch hours so you can help. By watching, liking, and subscribing, you're not just supporting me, you're becoming part of my creative community that loves art, cards, and crafting. I am going to be doing new weekly videos as well as a ton of other videos. I really just try to do them as often as possible. My goal is to have at least 2 a week. So be sure to go ahead and hit subscribe and then turn on those notifications so that you never miss an upload. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what kind of cards or art would you love to see me draw or craft with, because I would love to get a challenge from you. I think that would be a ton of fun. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up a little bit while I am coloring him in. A couple of things to remember, just always start with the lightest color and then build up your shades, because obviously it is much easier to start that way than to try and take color away. All right, now that he is all colored, we are going to go ahead and get out some of that playful, colorful, smooth cardstock. And one of the things I like to do is start with just my base. And I am going to stamp a little Jessica Lynn Original thing down at the bottom. And then I'm going to actually sign my signature. Please know that I offer a custom back of the card stamps. So if you are looking for something where I can actually help you make a self-inking stamp, I can definitely do that too. So be sure to, again, check out my website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. So there it is, Jessica Lynn Original. And then from here, I'm just going to sign it. But again, if you wanted, I could design something where I take your signature and then I could put your website or your blog underneath. So one of my favorite stamp companies, besides my own, to work with that I've really found that I'm really liking is Waffle Flower. And I thought, you know what, let's just turn this into a really simple happy birthday card. I want to use turquoise because I think with his colors, it's going to look really pretty. So let's just pop that out. There we go. And this paper is bigger than normal. So it's not just card size, it's a little bigger. So I actually can make probably like 2 cards easily with this. So let me go ahead and just put down some glue. And then we're going to go ahead, line it on up, make sure it's all flush. There we go. And then I'm going to flip this over. I'm just going to fussy cut it with a pair of scissors. I could use the little cutter. I could have cut this out with my brother's Scan and Cut. But just for ease of time and effort, I want to go ahead and just create this for you. So let me go ahead and we're just going to trim all that extra paper off. And in case you're looking at the happy birthday stamp set I'm using, it's called Happy Birthday Sentiments Waffle Flowers, and it says it's number 420491. So if you're looking for that, that would be the number you would look for. And the adorable quiche hound, that is at my website, which is JessicaLynnOriginal.com. And again, you could just search for digital stamps and you'll be able to see them all. I'll put up the QR code one more time in just a few minutes. But let's go ahead and let me just put a block on there. Perfect. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and get out my ink. And then I think what we're going to do is we are going to stamp this happy birthday, and it's large. And that's what I really liked about this set. Sometimes I really want to focus just on a big, huge happy birthday and then the image. So let me just adjust. I want to make sure I don't stamp it over him. There we go. Perfect. So there it is. Just making sure I got a nice solid stamp, which it looks great. Now the cardstock itself, it's really pretty. It's very smooth and kind of just one color. And so I think I'm going to come back with some Distress Oxides just to darken up around the edge and maybe add a gradient. So let's get some glue on him. Oh, he's alive. All right, there we go. And I think I'm going to use Faded Jean, although I did find a turquoise, and when I tried it on the blue, you'll see it in a sec, it was way too light, and I needed something just a little darker. Again, while I'm getting that all set, see, this one's way too light, you don't even see it. Scan that QR code, go ahead and download digitals. I would love to see what you create, and then don't forget to share them on social media and tag me with Jessica Lynn Original or ArtistryinCards, either one. I see them both. Oh, this looks so good. I'm really happy. It just gives it something, just a little bit more of a punch. And again, could I have made a crazy big embellished background? Of course. But I just wanted to show you how quick and easy, like if you're like, oh, I want to make a birthday stamp or a birthday card, and you know, this person has quiche hounds. Well, why not? Make them a quiche hound birthday card. How fun is that? And again, my website is just visited at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Oh, this looks so cute. Well, we are just about done, so I just want to take a quick moment. I know we had as much crafting with me as I did creating this project. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of creativity. Your support helps me grow this channel and reach my hour goals. So with every view, like, and comment, it means the absolute world to me. So let's keep the creativity going. Drop a comment below. What are you crafting next? Or what would you like to see me craft in a future video? I'd love to hear from you. I wish you all the best. I'll put up a couple more videos for you to watch, and I'll see you again real soon. Take care, everybody.